Good morning, Pat. How are you doing this morning?
Doing well, thank you.
Great. So how was your experience with Express Flooring?
It was very good. Neil was very, very informative.
Good.
And,
Good.
yeah, he covered everything we needed.
Okay.
So,
All right. And then how were your installers that came in?
they were good, except they didn't speak English.
Okay.
So they had a young kid translating for them.
Okay.
But first I was a little leery of that, but they did an excellent job. So
Great,
I'm
great.
good with
And I see your floors turned out really, really pretty. I really like the
did.
color choice. Did Neil help you with colors, or did you know
that.
exactly
No,
what you
I pretty
wanted?
much knew what I wanted,
Great.
but yeah, I love it. I think it looks really good.
I do too. And then overall, would you refer your friends and family with Express Flooring?
Yes.
Great. Well, thank you so much, Pat, for having me today. Enjoy the rest of your week, and we enjoy your business. Thanks. Bye-bye.
You also. Thank you.